Hi, my name is Colby Hamill, and I am currently a head football coach at Rock Hills in Mankato, Kansas. I coach football, basketball, track. I currently teach strength and conditioning, as well as freshman PE and health. I am married, been married for going on my 5th year here in August for 5 years. I have 2 little girls named Aubrey and Nova, and they are 2 and 3. Little blonde hair, blue-eyed little girls. They're wonderful. I've been teaching for 4 years, 2 years in Lake, Kansas, and 2 years in Mankato at Rock Hills, doing PE at all of those. Long-term goals for me would be to become an administrator, first becoming an athletic director, and see where that takes me, and down the road becoming a principal someday. Some short-term goals would be to, start finding positions that I can have some responsibilities in the athletic department, and slowly transition into a principal role here in the next couple years. I hope to be able to be better at understanding curriculum and how that process goes, as well as creating some possible curriculum for the PE department, or possibly something that a PE teacher would be able to use down the road in a school that I teach in. I'm excited for this course. Look forward to meeting everybody. Thank you.